The 29th District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024, organized by the District Sport Officer, West Khasi Hills District, was kicked off today at Nongpathar Playground, in which 25 schools from different parts of the district took part in the three-day sports events. Lakador's aim, IPS, Commandant of 4th MLP Battalion, Sopian, graced the occasion as the chief guest in the presence of BCM, DSO Nongstoin, other government officials, principals, teachers and invited guests. In his speech, Lakador's aim emphasized the values of sportsmanship, urging all participants to embody the spirit of being faster, higher and stronger.
Though you know that as police personnel, we have a lot of duties and responsibilities to fulfill. But I made it my mission that I should be here this morning with you, because I remember myself as a schoolboy in the sports meet that I used to take part in school and in college. In sports, the ability to embody these three things that I talked about: faster, higher and stronger.